Once you have everything out of the box, you could take your USB to serial isolator adapter, connected it to the cable that came with the kit, the other side to the SFP102 module. Now you could connect the adapter to your USB port. Once you have that connected, you are ready to connect your current source. And then you're ready to launch the SFP102 control software. First, you want to start up the application. Before you click Start, Settings, or any of the other buttons, you want to select your COM port. On the main screen of the application, we have the voltage, current, internal temperature, and column count indicators. In addition, you have buttons that can open a voltage graph, a current graph, internal temperature graph, and a column charge and discharge counters. We can also open settings of the module itself. Here we could check the serial number, part number, and various other information about the module. If we go into the shunt, we have the calibration value and the effect of calibration in percent, and the estimated resistance of the shunt. In this case, it is 102 microohms. In addition, you have the voltage tab and the temperature tab. Now we will start the application. We have the SFP102 module connected to a power supply that is supplying 1 amp of current. The internal temperature, the voltage, column counts, and the current are updated live from the module. In addition, we can open the graphs such as voltage, current, and the internal temperature. And as mentioned before, we can also open the charge and discharge, the additional charge and discharge column counters. Just as a demonstration, here's what happens when we provide more current from the power supply. The graphs adjust automatically, as well as the live data here on the screen. Everything is updated in real time. We can also do logging by clicking Logging Log File. We will do a test log test. Start. We could close the graphs if you would like. All the data that we are logging now is going to be saved to the destination file, appended with today's date and time, and saved in a format which can be parsed by the user at a later time. This concludes this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.